Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So today we are going to discuss about various cropping patterns. So these are the models of raising crops which help in obtaining maximum benefit from the same piece of land. Reduce risk of crop failure, disease and infestation. Three common types of cropping patterns are mixed cropping, intercropping and crop rotation. What is mixed cropping? Farming is an agriculture process of harvesting solar energy in the form of economic produce to plants and animals. The Indian farmers depend a great deal on the monsoon for water, and monsoon sometimes brings flood and sometimes cause drought. Therefore, the small and marginal farmers, particularly in rain-fed regions, can't take risk of growing specialized crops. They prepared a farming system called mixed farming, which is practice of growing two or more plants simultaneously on the same piece of land. Advantages of mixed cropping: the risk of total crop failure due to uncertain monsoon is reduced. Fertility of the soil is improved by growing two crops simultaneously. Farmers tend to harvest a variety of crops such as cereal, pulses, or vegetable. Chances of pest infestation are greatly reduced. Objective of mixed cropping: the basic objective of mixed farming is to minimize the risk and ensure against the crop failure due to abnormal weather conditions. Crop combination used in mixed cropping. In India, following combinations of crops are used by the farmers in mixed cropping: maize plus urad bean, wheat plus mustard. So, this is nothing but the combination. What is intercropping? Intercropping is a practice of growing two or more crops simultaneously in same piece of land in a definite row pattern. The practice of intercropping is adopted by small farmers and where farmers have to less access to irrigation. Intercropping is an improved version of mixed cropping. All the crop combination in mixed cropping can also be practiced in intercropping, but row patterns are definite: 1:1, 1:2, or 1:3. It means after one row main crop, 1, 2, or 3 rows of intercrops can be grown. What are the advantages of intercropping? It makes better use of natural resources, sunlight, air and water. It produces each crop and marked, marketed and produced separately. Since the seeds of two crops are not mixed before sowing, fertilizers can be placed as per need of the crop. Now, what is objective of intercropping? The objective of this farming is to increase productivity per unit area. What is the difference between intercropping and mixed cropping? Main object is to utilize space. Intercropping, mixed cropping to get at least one crop under favorable condition. So all different 6 points are mentioned over here. You need to understand them carefully.